Mimi? Are you reading your book? Are you reading your book? What's it say? Wow. Are you in your fort? I like your little house. Are you singing your ABCs? You got a smile for Mommy? Can you smile? Oh, you're so cute. You got your baby in there and everything. It's pretty cool. Woof woof. Is that Donkey? Oh, ow. I don't know. Is that bear? Maybe you're a birdie? I can't see it. Can you blow kisses? Ah, say bye-bye. I love you. I love you. Bye. Have fun. Bye-bye.